Okay, here is the video explanation on number 4. So it says a building 50 feet high cast a shadow 68 feet long. So the building here is 50 feet and the shadow, here's the sun, the shadow is over here, the shadow is 68 feet. It says find the measure of the elevation of the sun. So find the measure of the angle of elevation of the sun. So the angle of elevation is this angle right here. Okay, the angle of elevation is always from the horizontal looking up like that, right? We're going to call that angle theta. So just to give it a variable, just to give it a name so that we can talk about it. All right, so in relation to theta, what two sides do we know? Well, we know that this side here is the opposite side. It's opposite of theta. And we know that this side here is adjacent to theta. So this is adjacent and this is opposite. Now, out of SOHCAHTOA, which trig function deals with opposite and adjacent? Not sine, not cosine. Why? Because both of those deal with hypotenuse. And we don't know what the hypotenuse is. So here's tangent. Tangent deals with opposite and adjacent. Now, we said yesterday, anytime we are trying to find an angle measurement, what do we use? Well, instead of tangent, we use inverse tangent, right? The inverse of tangent, the inverse tangent of opposite over adjacent will give us theta. Opposite is 50, the building is 50 feet tall. Adjacent is 68 feet, the shadow is 68 feet. This is going to give us theta. So we type this in on our calculator. Here's our calculator. We turn it on. We hit mode and make sure we're in degrees always. So we say second tan of 50 divided by 68. We hit equals and we get 36.3. So right here, this is our correct answer. Okay? This angle of elevation, theta, equals 36.3. Okay? All right.